Panzanella salad. It's a rustic Italian style salad. In fact, I think it comes from Tuscany. And the main ingredient is tomato and some bread. Now, back in the days, they would use some really old bread because the stale bread goes super crunchy as it roasts in the oven. Mine's going to be Greek inspired, so feta instead of the buffalo mozzarella, lots of olives, cucumber and capsicum. Now, I've preheated my oven to about 200 degrees. I've got some stale bread here, just some sourdough, and I'm just gonna cut that in half and then just tear it up. The more rustic this looks, the better it tastes because all of these sort of gnarly bits are going to absorb the dressing and the tomatoes. So just pull that apart. You don't want to be using fresh bread for this. Stale bread or bread that's 1 to 2 days old is what you're after. The drier it is, the crispier it's going to become. Okay, we'll just drizzle over some extra virgin olive oil just to coat it. And I always like to season it with some salt. We'll just give that a little jiggle in the pan just to coat all of the bread. And then this is going to cook for about, let's say 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. What we're looking for is golden and crunchy croutons. Okay, for the salad in a big bowl, we'll start with our beautiful tomatoes. Now, I like to use grape tomatoes for this and a variety. I've got the red variety here. Look how gorgeous they are. They look like little grapes. I've also got the medley here. It's like a rainbow of tomatoes here. We've got green ones, yellow ones, orange ones. They're just so beautiful and so appetizing in a salad like this. So we're going to cut some of them in half. And some of them I'm just going to leave whole because see this little one here? That's so cute, a little burst of sweetness there, so we can leave that one whole. The whole idea of this is just to make it not look perfect. So cutting some and leaving the others whole. So I'm going to use a whole punnet and a half of the red ones. Okay, tomatoes in. How pretty does that look? Then to this we're going to add some onion, very thin slices of onion. And what I like to do is grab some salt, pop that straight onto the board and just bruise the onion like this. So we'll just pop that into the salad. To that I'm going to add some cucumber and cutting the cucumber really rustic like. I've also peeled this. I just find the cucumber extra juicy when it's like this. This is a Lebanese cucumber. In that goes. And half a capsicum. These ones were quite large. So just half a red capsicum. And again, just cutting that into rough chunks. Okay, we can't forget about our olives, some kalamata olives, and I've taken out the pip. Oregano. Some now, and then I'll add some to the top of this, and feta. So I'll just take half of this feta and I'm going to crumble big chunks of it in. I'll also add some more to the top. And I like to start adding the dressing now just so all of those flavours mingle before we add the bread. So red wine vinegar, could also just use some lemon juice or even white vinegar is fantastic. A good glug of olive oil. Be generous with the olive oil because it's going to soak up when we add the bread. Some more salt. And some pepper. Great. Fork and a spoon. And I'm just going to toss everything together and just let that sit there for the next 5 to 10 minutes until the bread comes out of the oven. Okay, the salad's looking good and these croutons have come out of the oven. I've allowed them to cool slightly. You don't want to add hot croutons into a cold salad. So let them cool down and then in with our croutons and give everything a mix. Now, ideally, you don't want to eat this straight away because we want those little croutons to absorb the beautiful extra virgin olive oil and the vinegar and the juice from all of those gorgeous tomatoes that we've added. But how pretty does that look? That is one seriously delightful salad there. A take on the Italian panzanella, but kind of like the idea of this Greek style with the feta, the oregano, and the olives included. Yum. I'm gonna have a little taste. Those tomatoes. It's like pop of sweetness every time we have a little bite.